say it.
No, I do know.
You do know?
I mean,
go ahead. Maybe I'll just be. ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ማረማይት እባላለሁ ወይም ሜሪ
ኑሃሚን እባላለሁ ወይም ኑሃ።
እንግዲህ ቲክቶክ ላይ የምንታወቀው is Mary and Nuha. And
I thought the door was open.
I know too. But anyways, Mary and Nuha ነው የምንባለው እንግዲህ on TikTok. እና አሁን በዩቲዩብ ላይ እንምጣ ብለን እናንተም ኮሜንት ላይ I've seen you guys comment that, so just እንምጣ ብለን መጣን እንግዲህ.
Yeah, so መተናል
Okay, ዛሬ የምናወራው is about like friendship ወይም ጓደኛ ማቾች ጓደኛን ስለ ጓደኛነት.
Yeah. You're there.
ስለ ጓደኛነት እንግዲህ as we know 10 አመት ጓደኛሞች ነን እኔ እና እሷ። ለዛ ስለኛ ምን እንደተማርን ላ ኢንዲቪጁዋሊ ግን ስለ ጓደኛነት ምን እንደተማርንና ስለ ሌሎች ከሌሎች ጋር ጓደኛሞች ስንሆን what we learned from that is what we're going to talk about.
Yeah. So መጀመሪያ ምንድነው ጓደኝነት ላቺ? I think we need to start with that.
Yeah, that's actually a good question.
Thank you. So yeah, I think ለኔ ጓደኝነት ማለት is like ሚስጥርሽን ጠባቂ, a person also ያ ሰው they should ምንድነው I know እየቀላቀለ ነው እንግሊዘኛና አማርኛ
ልመዱት I swear ልመዱት አንድ ነገር ማለት አንችልም እና አንችልም እንችላለን ግን ናቹራል አይሆንም የምናወራው ነገር ለዛ yeah
ግን again we're everywhere ግን ጓደኝነት ለኔ ማለት ሚስጥርሽን ጠባቂ at the same time ያ ሰው አንቺ ስታጠፊ or ደግሞ ወደላ መንገድ ስትሄጂ ደግሞ ያው የሚመክርሽ ሰው ግን ሲመክርሽ ደግሞ it's not like ምንድነው ጠልተውሽ ወይ ደግሞ not in a negative way. It should be like, you know, አንቺን ለመጉዳት ሳይሆን ለማገዝ. So የነሱ intention matters. You know, they need to actually want to, you know, help you and be your friend. So yeah, I think that's yeah. You know, there's a saying, I could tell you who you are based on your friends. አንቺ ማንነትሽን እነግርሻለሁ ጓደኞችሽን ካየው
ይታወቃል ማንነትሽን የሚታወቀው ጓደኞችሽን ሰራውንድ የምታያም
so yeah. Well, what about you? ጓደኝነት
I mean ምን ጨምራለሁ I mean she said it very well, I'll be honest with you. ሌላ ነገር የምጨምረው is consistent የሆነ ሰው አለ አይደለ ገባ ወጣ ወይኔ አማርኛ ይችላል ጋይስ ገባ ወጣ የሚል ሰው ሳይሆን ወይም አንድ ቀን ጓደኛሽ ነኝ አንድ ቀን አይደለም አንድ ቀን መክርሻለሁ አንድ ቀን አልመክርሽም ሳይሆን በየቀኑ መክርሻለሁ በየቀኑ ሰድብሻለሁ በየቀኑ አለ አይደለ በቃ ኮንሲስተንት ከሰደብከኝ በየቀኑ ስደበኝ ከመከርከኝ በየቀኑ መከረኝ ማለት ነው እንደሱ አይነት ሰው ነው I think friendship የሚባለው እንግዲህ ብዙ ሰዎች have realized እናንተ ተጣልታችሁ አታውቁም ተጫጫኋችሁ አታውቁም ወይም ምንድነው ይሄ ምንድነው የሚባለው apparently ሰዎች አሁን ጓደኛሞች ሲሆኑ ይዘጋጋሉ አንድ ነገር ተጫጫሁን ምናምን አለ አይደለ ከዛ ለሳምንት አያወሩም ወይ ለወር ሰምቻለሁ ለወር ለሳምንት ለሶስት ቀን ለአንድ ቀን ምናምን አያወሩም ምናምን ሲባል ሰምቻለሁ and we've never done that ሁሉ ጊዜ ሰው ስል they're like what is it even like a real friendship እንደዚህ ምናምን ተጫጫህን ራሱ አናውቅም I don't think I've ever yelled at you before ከተጫጫህን እየጮህን አንድ ላይ ነው እንጂ it's not like at each other ግን ሌላ ሰው ላይ ሊሆን ይችላል እንጂ I don't think like we've ever like እንደዚህ ተጫጫህን አናውቅምና I don't think like I mean
that's not healthy it's not healthy
I don't know maybe I started like a ሌላ topic ውስጥ የገባው መሰለኝ
No I don't think it's healthy
እና either way እሱን ሜንሽን አደረኩት just because ኮንሲስተንት ነገር መሆን አለበት ነው አሁን ይሄ ማቋረጥ ፍሬንድሺፑን ማቋረጥ መሃል ላይ ምናምን that's not consistent that's not real I don't think so እንግዲህ ለኔ በአንድ ዲስአግሪመንት በአንድ መጣላት በአንድ መጫጫ ከተዘጋጋችሁ እንግዲህ እንዴት ነው ፍሬንድሺፕ የሚሆነው እንግዲህ ፌክ ሆኖ ካልተቀመጥን በስተቀርና ፊሊንጓ እንዳይህርት እንዳይሆን ፊሊንጉ ምናምን እንደሱ ከሆነ that's not real friendship to me that's just acquaintance ለኔ ማለት ነው
I agree
that's how I feel እንግዲህ when it comes to friendship እንግዲህ የሆነ ነገር ነው አሁን ነው አሚን like ከጠለው which I've never said before ግን ካገኘው የሆነ ነገር I would be like አሚን እንግዲህ ምን ሆነሽ ነው እናቴ ቀይሩ እላታለሁ ቀይሮ አደጋ ነገ ትመለሳለች ነው ነው that's how it should be የምትናደድም አይመስለኝም I don't think it's ever happened before let's know I feel like I mean we're not experts good I feel like we are experts
okay so what did you like okay if I gather my thoughts so ምን ተማርሽ ከፍሬንድሺፕ
ምን ተማርሽ በጣም ብዙ ነገር ተምሬያለሁ like ስለ ጥሩ ነገር ጥሩም ነገርም መጥፎም ነገርም ተምሬያለሁ እና መጥፎ ነገር ግን ፖዚቲቭ እና ኔጌቲቭ የሚባለው ነገር አለ አይደል ፕላስ ኤንድ ማይነስ ያለሽ
positive and negative attract
not when it comes to friendship by the way maybe maths ላይ attract ሊያደርግ ይችላል no but not on friendship I don't think so I mean ብዙ ነገር አሁን ቁጭ ብለን እንደዚህ ተምሬያለሁ ቢባል like ሰዓታት ነው የሚፈጀው አመታት ነው የሚፈጀው but I mean እንዳልኩት ነው like consistency ሜንሽን ያደረኩት because እሱ ነው ስለሱ በደንብ ተምሬያለሁ አንዳንድ ጊዜ በጣም ለምናሴ በጣም ብዙ ሰዎች ግን I've met some people አንዳንድ ጊዜ በጣም they care about me and then አንዳንድ ጊዜ ደግሞ በቃ እና it gets to a point where it's like እንዴ የጠፋ ይሄ ሰው ወይ የጠፋች እቺ ሴትዮ ምናምን ብዬ እስከማስብ ድረስ ማለት ነው ጥፍት ስል ጥፍት ነው የሚሉት ማለት ነው ከዛ ደግሞ ሲመጡ ደግሞ ይወጣሉ ነገር ማለት ነውና ይሄ አጫብጫቢ ነገር አለም it gets to a point አንዳንድ ጊዜ manager that's how consistency in mention ያደረኩት is because of that cuz I try in my friendship with other people consistency ያቸው እንዴት አይነት ጓደኛዬ እንደሆኑና እንዳልሆኑ ያማቀው በconsistency ያቸው
yeah
what about you
yeah I agree this whoosh anyways the same thing you know people in the weather ይቀየራሉ season አላቸው ሰዎች እና this is just in general
speaking of continue quite season
this is just in general ማለት ነው አንዳንድ ሰዎች like also it could also be ብዙ ሰዎች they have a lot of groups አላቸው so they're friends with everybody like everybody's their friend so እዚህ ጋር መገኘት አለባቸው እዛ ጋር መሄድ አለባቸው or ይቀይራሉ friends groupaቸው you know especially in college that's how it is in college I feel like ይሄ ሁሉ ነገር is like in college ያየሁትን ነገር ነው because in high school I didn't really have friends like friendochi ምናምን maybe was my cousins or like you know እቤት ያሉት that's it other than family I didn't really have friends in high school I had like one friend and then that was it so college life I like you know I saw buzu groupoch and I was like oh you know wow you know it's just Lenny I don't think I could be Lenny just my mic Lenny I don't think I could be in a lot of and I could be in a group I feel like ይጨንቀኛል because so sitabezu you don't know like so sitabezu I feel like you lose genuinity you know I feel like ብዙ ሰዎች in that group they're going to have የራሳቸውን ክሊኮች ይኖራቸዋል ምናምን ነገር I rather have አንድ ጓደኛ that's it that's truthful rather than have 10 people that are not going to be truthful to me so that's how I operate
yeah exactly speaking of season good I've realized college ውስጥ ማለት ነው አሁን ዊንተር ላይ በጣም ጓደኛሞች ተወኝና ሰመር ላይ ስቴጅ ጸጭጭ nothing or ሰመር ላይ በጣም ጓደኛሞች ተሆኑና ከዛ እንግዲህ ፎል ላይ ምንም ጸጥ የለም like እሱ ነው consistency በጣም ብያለሁ but it's crazy እኔ ግርም ነው ያለኝ ብዙ ጊዜ compare ማድረገው ከኑሃሚን ጋር ነው like አሁን would Nuhamin do this እንደዚህ ለምንድን ነው እንደዚህ ይሄ ሰው or ይሄ እቺ ሴትዮ ለምንድን ነው እንደዚህ አክት የሚያደርጉት would Nuhamin do that ከዛ ደግሞ of course the answer is going to be no Nuhamin wouldn't do that so now ጥያቄ ደግሞ ለምንድን ነው እያደረጉ ያሉት what's going on ነው እና like friendship የማያስፈልግ አይነት ጭንቀት ራሱ ሊያመጣ ይችላል I feel like and በጣም ነው ግራ የሚገባኝ at the fact that like genuinity ከሰው አንዳንድ ሰዎች የላቸውም ምንም በቃ like just
and I feel like every ሁሉም ሰው experience ያደርገዋል except for like I've talked to people and they're like yeah like you know I don't have I don't have a friend but like it's another it's hard for me I feel like to open up so I have a hard time so in Maurats or ጭንቀቴን መንገር ምናምን ነገር it happens a lot እዚህ ሀገር for some reason which I don't know about ኢትዮጵያ ግን እዚህ ሀገር it happens a lot
especially በእኛ እድሜ
yeah and I feel like if you don't have a support system or friends that could have a lot of stress and mental health honestly and because I've been noticing recently I'm not saying like this is the reason why ግን ብዙ ሰዎች በእኛ እድሜ ይሞታሉ they take their own lives and I feel like it's important to have people or friends that actually care about you and that are genuine support system ከሌለ because I mean ቤተሰብ no they're going to love us they're going to support us ግን if you don't have friends your own age because you're not going to tell your parents everything they're not going to walk life with you but if you're in college የራሳቸው ኑሮ አላቸው ቤተሰቦች so your friends again they're there almost every day every moment of your life and it's important to have friends that are going to be there for you because if they're not there in your hardest time it could be hard to let people in and when all those things add up and done so much they take their own lives unfortunately and we see it often in our age and I just think it's just really sad
yeah and we're not saying them more like ጓደኛ ስለሌላቸው ብቻ ነው እንደዚህ ሆነው
it would be nice to have somebody say are you okay
support የሚያደርግሽ ሰው ካጠገብሽ መኖሩን ስታውቂ ትንሽ at least ምንም ሁሉም ነገር መጥፎ in your life መጥፎ ቢሆንም at least you know you have a friend at least you know መጥፎውን ነገር ሁሉም ነገር happen ያደረገ ያለውን ነገር ሄደሽ ጓደኞችሽን መንገር ትችያለሽ that's like assume ራሱ that alone is a happiness to some people ማለት ነው not to some people I think everybody needs a friend I think everybody needs at least አንድ ሰው
I agree
like በጣም ብዙ ሰዎች or not በጣም ብዙ ሰዎች ግን I'm just saying I'm pretty sure አንዳንድ ሰዎች they'll be like I don't need a friend የሚሉት ነገር አለ I think that's just stubbornness everybody needs a friend everybody needs someone አሁን you can be close to your parents እንዳለችው you can be as close as you can ግን ደግሞ አንዳንድ ነገሮች እድሜያችሁ ራሱ የማይነካካ እድሜ ስለሆነ I swear በደንብ እኔ ላይ ብቻ ያየሁት ነገር ሳይሆን ወይ እሷ ላይ ብቻ ያየሁት ነገር ሳይሆን I've seen in other friendships እና ግርም ነው የሚለኝ like I swear I'm like you know what I'm saying like ግራ ነው የሚገባው I don't know
and you know hopefully people figure it out I guess there's nothing really you could do or say then it's important to have at least one person you know it's just sad
ምንም I think አንዳንድ ፍሬንድሺፖች ዝም ብላችሁ ከተጣላችሁ ምናምን it's just you know that's not like really a friend ለምንም ነገር ከተጣላችሁ ለsmall things የሴቶች friendship could be about girl I mean you can argue about ምንድነው ይሄ fight over a guy or you can fight over guys fight over a girl and there's a small thing well that might not be a small thing good it's just I'm saying like but small things ነገር ከተጣላችሁ ወይም ምግቤን በላችብኝ I don't know like I don't know how ሰዎች የሚጣሉት like የእውነት I don't understand like I don't even know what's the standard of መጣላት in friendship ማለት ነው የቱ ጋር ነው ማቆም ያለብኝ የትኛው I don't even know like እንደዚህ ካደረገችኝ እጣላታለሁ የምልበት standard ራሱ I don't have any. Do you have any? Like how like at what point would you stop a friendship? Do you know?
No.
You do know. Say it.
No, I do know.
You do know?
I mean,
go ahead. Maybe I'll just be Do I open?
Pause video.
Blanket ተቀይሯል ትንሽ መሸት ብሏል but the question is at what point would you stop a friendship? I actually don't know. እኔ አላውቅም እኔ እንጃ I mean I would stop a friendship if they tell my secrets. I think. Yeah. I think that would be my like cut point ነው የሚባለው ምንድነው እንጃ I think that's where I would stop it definitely ማለት ነው ሌሎቹን I might like pass around that later maybe with conversation or two it might be solved but I think secret ከወጣ that means I'm trusting you with my secret and if I tell you my secret and you tell another person ወይ ከሌላ ሰው ከሰማው I think that's our friendship is done. I think so. እንግዲህ ለኔ ማለት ነው
I agree. Same thing.
That's for you too?
Yeah. I can agree with that.
That was, I'll be honest, the controversial question.
Yeah. Okay. I guess like ጨረስን right? Our conversation about friendship.
ሄደች አራምባ ኦቦ መሀል ላይ ገባች
religion guys no I think ጨረስናል with our conversation about friendships so yeah
I don't know if መጨረሻችን ግን I think ለዛሬ video is the end ግን I think you guys should comment down below or
next topic
text ከፈለጋችሁ text ስላችሁ DM Instagram DM or TikTok DM ማድረግ ከፈለጋችሁኛ you can definitely let us know topic ሌላ ጊዜ እንፖስተው ነገር but for right now I think የመጀመሪያ video I think this is a good startup right cuz ስለ ጓደኛ ማድረግ ምናምን you see the idea guys
yep
okay well thank you for watching
make sure to comment like subscribe and share
tag ምን እንደሚባለው ከሱ ሌላ subscribe
yeah subscribe yeah the comment like yeah
make sure to like tag okay make sure to subscribe
shark and cry it guys it's getting late so
yeah እና ደግሞ መሀል ላይ ተቋረጠ y'all saw the video ታያለሽ I'm gonna keep the video up ስንደረግጥ ማለት ነው jump scare እንዳይሆንባችሁ trigger warning ግን በሱ ምክንያት ተቋርጦ ነበር ለዛ the passion we had ቅድም is not there now
we are
ቅድም በደንብ እየለፈለፍን ነበር ያወጣጣን ነበር አሁን ግን ትንሽ died down a little bit because we took a little break and thank you guys for watching next week እናገኛችኋለን
so bi-weekly ነው
bi-weekly ይሻላል or twice a week guys
twice a week
እና twice a month ይሻላል
no not twice a month twice a week I think
twice a week is weekly
weekly
I think weekly is fine ለኛም is reasonable I think
yes
so weekly እንድናረገው
so nega it's going to be Wednesday so every
Wednesday እናገኛቸዋለን guys ciao አራምባና ቆቦ ነው የሚተቀበለው
oh my god
ጓደኛሞችን መስላለና
every Wednesday
guys